camcorder.
Know that I am here amongst you. Know that I am your father. I am your king. I am your pharaoh. Know that I am here amongst you all, and I see everything and know all. I curse thee, who take advantage of my name in vain, for I am the truth of all creation and life. I am everything. I am your all. I am your prosperity to paradise, also your passageway to hell, the everlasting lake of fire, which is the sun. I am the most high and magnificent being you will ever see in your entire existence. I am the truth. Understanding what you see before your eyes is the total truth in my existence. This is reality. This is not TV, television. This is not the movie theater. This is real life. I have been amongst you all since the beginning of time and existence, since the first civilization upon this planetarium. I am the truth. Look into my eyes and tell me what it is you solely desire. What it is that you want in life. I am your father. I am your king. I am the light within the darkness. I am the darkness that surrounds the light. I am Omega Starlight.